This is going right over us right now.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? A drone? Welcome to the New Jersey suburbs.
My guess is there is information, but they're holding it back.
Who is flying these drones? Why are they being flown? And why is the government not giving them any answer?
Know if there are UAPs. We don't know what they are. That's what we're trying to find out.
But as I said in my opening statement, we have certainly done thorough analysis of the existing imagery.
Quote, the sightings to date.
Sightings also now being reported in New York City. Staten Island Borough President Vito Fossella calling on the FAA.
As to what these are. We don't know what they are. No more, sir. Let other people, okay?
The American people have lost trust in our government, specifically the Department.
But the sightings has many, including law enforcement, wondering who is putting them up and for what reason. Today,